Hey, it's Austin Voken here over at Walser Subaru in St. Paul, here to show off our Subaru Ascent for you here today. This touring trim is going to have a lot of cool features, so let's hop to it. All right, so this is the 2022 Subaru Ascent Touring. You'll be able to note that by its blacked out grille, chrome accents on the outside with the side body mirrors, as well as through the windows as well. This vehicle though will have the same capabilities as all the other trims with that turboed engine, having the 5,000 pound towing capacity, as well as giving you the averaging combined fuel consumption of 22 miles per gallon. Now, with this engine, that boxer style is going to give you that symmetrical all-wheel drive. So with these tires, having those larger rims on the Touring is going to give you a little bit more smooth ride of comfort on that as well. Keyless access and entry into your vehicle here makes it a breeze to be able to unlock and lock your vehicle as well. On the inside, we'll go a little bit more over the trim and features, but with that, you'll see some specific things on this Touring model, like the wood trim on the dashboard continued on along there as well. In the back seats here, you'll see on the Touring is going to come standard with the captain's chairs. So with those, you're going to have those two in the back seat with heated seat capabilities. Also gives the capability of folding down those seats, as well as being able to hop in for that third row seating. So that way you can tow up to 8 passengers with this trim specifically. Now, other trim options do have a bench option as well too, with that center row. So that way if you want to have 8 passengers, you have the capabilities of that as well. Moving along onto the tailgate here though, you'll see power gate with that backup camera. This one does have the reverse automatic braking sensors, as well as rear collision detection. With that though, it does have the Harmon Kardon system in the tailgate here, so you'll see that subwoofer, additional storage, and cover as well. With the Touring model, it does have that storage cover standard, which is nice, but with the rear seats having the capabilities of folding down with the 60/40, even if you have longer items or skis or anything like a snowboard as well, you can even fit that in with ease and still have passengers riding along. One touch down for your back as well. Makes it a breeze if you want to just have the dog hop in the back of the tailgate and just keep going. But moving along onto the inside here, we'll continue on with some more features and functionalities for you. All right, so here we are on the inside of the Ascent. Taking a look, you'll see that wood grain is on the inside here, continued through on the dashboard as well as through the doors. With the Touring model, you're also going to have heated steering wheel capabilities, as well as other conveniences with the hands-free connectivity with your phone, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integrated as well. Now, cool thing is that these trims also include a 180 front view monitor, which will help with view of the front end of the vehicle. So that way, if you're trying to get into a tight parking spot or around a corner that you can't necessarily see, you can actually have that displayed up on your display here. It also has a smart rear view mirror as well too. So that way, if you have obstructions or passengers in the back seat that are blocking that view, you can also flip that as well to be able to show what's going on behind you. Now, other cool things too, the driver and passenger seat also have heated as well as ventilated seats. So with that, you can have hot or cold in the summer or winter time. Really helps out here, especially in Minnesota, being so cold in the winter times with that heated seat. And with the leather in the summertime, it will also help alleviate any additional stickiness as well. But with the rear seats as well, they also do have those heated outboard seats. So with those captain's chairs, you'll also have that comfort of convenience even if you are being chauffeured. On the Touring model, you'll also note the moonroof is going to be a standard feature, whereas in some other models, it'll be more of an option. Now, the benefit with our moonroof is it does extend all the way back into the second row, so it's almost like having a convertible without having to pay for those extra features. All right, so with your radio unit, you'll note that it also has a larger display. With that, the capabilities of having the navigation is already going to be included. All right, so just as a recap here with the Touring trim, you'll note those wonderful accents that give it that unique appearance. It'll also have those other convenience of features automatically, like the ventilated front seats, the heated steering wheel, as well as panoramic moonroof as well. Now there's other trims offered as well, like the base model, the premium, the limited, and like the Onyx edition, which will give it that more off-road and rugged look. Now, keep in mind, this is the touring model, so this is the top of the line, so it includes all bells and whistles on this vehicle, but if you're not necessarily in need of all these features, we do have those other trim options as well. All right, thank you again for taking a look at the Subaru Ascent with me here. If you have any additional questions, feel free to review our inventory online at walsersubarustpaul.com.